In this homework assignment, you will be doing a homework assignment called the impact of daily decisions. What this is going to include is to find out the items that you already spend money on every single day or 5 days a week. How much would that accumulate after a 30-year period or even a 60-year period? So for this one, we'll be using a tool from Foundations U, which is a part of the Dave Ramsey curriculum. So here's the homework assignment, and there's some little directions here of what exactly you need to do. So this is what you need to do for this assignment. For these first three items, they're specific to what I would like to include in this homework assignment. But then after that, you get to choose 5 items that you already spend money on quite often throughout the month. So let's say the gourmet coffee, you get Starbucks every single day of the week, 5 days a week. And let's just say on average you spend $5 per time. So that would mean, okay, if we're doing 5 days per week, that's $25 a week. And if there's typically 4 weeks in a month, then we go to $100. So then now what we're going to do next is we're going to go click on the link, and then we're going to click on Tools. And then we're going to use a tool called Investing Calculator. In this, it's going to have us enter in the information that we just calculated ourselves. So the enter your starting balance is going to be 0, as if we're starting today. Let's just say it's 12% return. Now that, like I said, it's pretty high, but that's what the curriculum for this homework assignment is asking us to use. So let's say it is 12% return. How much do you plan to contribute monthly? Well, for this gourmet coffee, it would be $100. How many years do you plan to contribute? For our first, we're going to do 30 years. How much will this investment be worth in 30 years? So for the next 30 years, you are spending $100 a month on coffee. So let's see what this would be worth at the end of 30 years. So if you're 18 now, that's age 48. So at age 48, what would this value be worth? At age 48, 30 years from now, your coffee that you get every single day, 5 days a week, per month, is $352,991, which is pretty amazing at that price. $352,000 if you would just stop drinking coffee today and start investing that $5, and each month it's only $100, this is how much you would earn over a 30-year period. So then we put $352,991 in here. Then you're going to go back, and then this time you're going to do it again, but this time you're going to use 60 years. So 0 balance to start, 12% return, $100 a month, 60 for this one, and 60 here. So age 18, you'd be age 78. What would that be worth? $7.8 million if you would just stop drinking coffee and start investing it today for the next 60 years. So you would take this amount and then you'd copy this into here. Okay, so that's the homework assignment. With this one, you just get a chance. Again, I chose these first 3 categories, but these other ones you get to choose. Maybe it's getting candy each month, or maybe it's going out to eat so many times a week, or maybe it's going to the movie theater, or maybe it's buying a pair of shoes, or whatever it might be. You get to choose that item, how much you would do. Now let's say that you only buy, choose once a month. You could just put in for here $30, and then just put $30 one time. So if you have a hard time thinking of things that you use from day to day, or you purchase, go ahead and just choose one item and then the cost per month, and then use that instead. So this is the impact of daily decisions. Again, what we're doing is taking money that we already spend from day to day or once a month, and then we're putting them into the investing calculator. We're finding out the investment after 30 years and 60 years. If there's any questions, let me know.